Welcome to your Tee Time Strategies. I'm Terry Moscosi, Director of Instruction for Brown Golf here in Bluffton, South Carolina. And one of our viewers emailed us and said, Terry, how would you handle a shot that is a little bit downhill and you got trouble in front of you? And we're going to be somewhere in the 70-yard, 75-yard range. How would you go about handling the shot? So, we're going to give you an idea on our strategy on how best to go about it. Now, I do have here approximately somewhere in the 60-yard range. Now, 60 yards on a flat lie is my lob wedge, my 60-degree wedge. But more importantly, if it's a flat lie, my swing will go approximately just somewhere between waist high and shoulder high, so this length. But I got a downhill lie. The downhill lie takes the golf club and, because it's downhill, begins to close or decrease the loft of the golf club. So now I'm heading more into my sand wedge or my gap wedge loft, only because we have a pretty extreme downhill lie. So I go through my whole setup the way I normally would go through. I get myself set. I do not change my ball position. I keep it the same. But what's important when you're dealing with uneven lies is that you take and you move your body to the slope of the land. Now this one is long enough, I literally can have that foot off the ground because all my weight now is on the front side. This shot will have very little trajectory to it. Even though I have a 60-degree wedge, there's going to be very little trajectory. But the length of my swing is going to be no more than waist high. I don't need it because the golf face has changed its angle, so I don't need as long a swing. So let's take a look. Let's see how we do. Get myself set. And I'm just going to stay. I stay in my position and I'll go waist high and I'll follow the slope with the golf swing. And I'm happy just to be on the green over the water, ready for a two-putt.